sir. 3.
Yeah. So cubic equation is the one whose power value is equal to 3. That is called cubic equation, right? So generally we have like this. For example, y is equal x power 3 minus 11x square. 11x square 11x square plus 36x minus 36. So here, so the power value is how much here? 3. So we can consider that which power is the highest, therefore we can consider that one only. So here the power value is 3, so therefore it is called cubic equation. So generally, so in order to get x values, so how do we do that? So here, so we have the only one formula, that is minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is the only one formula we should apply. So here, so minus b and a and c. So don't bother about minus. Okay. So we need to bother about a and b and c. So for example, if you put here a, here b, here c, what it means? Okay, so therefore we should consider this kind of equation, or we can convert this to cubic equation into the quadratic equation. So first here this is a cubic equation. So here we need to apply this formula. We need to convert the cubic equation to the quadratic equation. So therefore convert the cubic equation into quadratic equation. So therefore, when we get the quadratic equation only, we'll get a and b and c value. So therefore, so we don't bother about this one. So when you are converting the equation into the quadratic equation, we cannot get an extra number or extra value. Okay. So that, for example, in order to convert the quadratic equation, cubic equation to the quadratic equation, we need to go with that trial and error method. Trial and error method. Trial and error method. So as we know that here, so that is the here x value. How much x value here? X value only I am saying, not x power value. So x value should be considered 1, right? So
One.
here the value x value minus 11. Then here the x value is 36. Here the x value is minus 36. So therefore we can take this kind of thing, that there is a trial and error method. Then we will multiply with 1 first. So up to the when this value will be get 0, nothing but when we are getting 0 value. So when you multiply the 1, so simple we can put here 0. So 1 minus 0, how much will get it? Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sorry for the disturbance. Yeah, due to some network issue, it was delayed. Yeah, see that. So we need to go with the trial and error method. That is, we have taken 1 minus 11, 36 and minus 36. So we can multiply the 1. So that is 1 minus 0. 1 into 1, 1. So here minus 11 plus 1, how much will get it? Minus 10, right? So minus 10 into 1, minus 10. So how much will get it? Plus 26. Plus 26 into 1, 26. So how much will get it here? 10, right? So here x is not equal to 1, right? So therefore we'll take into consider 2 then. So 1 minus 11, 36 minus 36. Then we'll try with 2, then 0, 1 minus 0, 1. 1 into 2, 2. How much will get it? Minus 9. Minus 9 into 2, how much will get it? Minus 18, right? Minus 18. So 36 minus 18, how much will get it? 18, right? So 18 into 18, 18 into 2, 36. So minus 36 plus 36, how much will get it? 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2 here. Hello, Vandana, or other people?
sir.
Yeah. So have you got the point? So how we can do the trial error method? Okay. So here x is equal to. So therefore, this is converted to the cubic equation. Whatever we have 1 minus 9 and 18, this should be converted into the quadratic equation. See that the convert to the cubic equation, or you can say that formulate quadratic equation, that is one. So here the one in the quadratic equation, what we have? So that simple, x square minus 9x plus 18, right? So the power value is equal to what it calls the quadratic equation. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is called when we convert the cubic equation to quadratic equation, this is x square minus 9x plus 18. So therefore it is called A, this is called B, this is called C. So then we will go with the formula. See here is equal minus B plus or minus under root B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. So therefore, what is the B value here? 9 minus here minus. What is the B value? Minus 9x. Minus 9 plus or minus under root. What is the B value? Minus 9 whole square minus 4 into what is the A value? 1.
1,
What is the C value?
18.
By 2A. 2A. So here minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus or minus, minus 9 into 9, 81 minus 4 into 1, 4. Sorry, Amma. 4 into 1, 4. Anita. Yeah. So 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 18, how much? Hello?
Yes, sir.
72?
72, sir.
Sorry, here we need to multiply 2 into 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 2 into 1, 2. So therefore here 9 plus or minus under root 81 minus 72, how much will get it?
9, sir.
9 by 2. So simple, we can cancel here root value. Simple, we'll get 9 plus or minus, what is the root value? 9, 3, right?
Yes, sir.
By 2. So here if you consider minus side, 9 minus 3 by 2, how much will get it? 6 by 2 is equal
6,
to how
sir.
much?
6, 3.
3. When you take consider plus side, 9 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 12 by 2 is equal to how much?
6.
6. So therefore here we got the two values. Here x is equal to, first when we are doing the trial and error method, then x is equal to 3, x is equal to 6. So these are the answers. So let me know the whether the answer is right or wrong. How do you check it? So we can go with that for equation that is y is equal to x power 3 minus 11x square plus 36 minus 36x. Sorry, here x. Okay. So first we can substitute the 2 cube minus 11 2 square plus 32 36 into 2 minus 36. So 2 into cube, how much? 2 cube?
8, sir.
8. So 11. So 2 into 2,
4.
4. Plus 32 into 2,
36 to 72. 36.
minus 36. So 8. 11 into
8
4,
minus 4 is 44.
44 plus
44.
72 minus 36. So you can add the positive.
36.
This is the minus value. This is the plus values. So how much? 80, right? Plus values. So that minus values.
0.
Yes, 44 minus 36, how much? 48, right? 80, right?
Yes, sir.
So here 80 minus 80 is equal to 0. So the x is equal to 2 is right? So for example, if you take into consider the same one, so what is the x value? 3, if you consider.
3.
So y is equal, if you consider 3 here, x is equal to 3. So I'm putting here 3 power 3 minus 11 to 3 into square plus 36 into 3 minus 36. So 3 cube, how much will get it? 27.
27.
11, 3 into 3, 9 plus 33 into 9, how much will get it, Amma?
30.
36 into the cube or 3.
3, sir.
118. 108.
108, sir.
108 minus 36, right? So here 27 minus 11 into 9, 99 plus 108 plus minus 36, right? So these are the positive values, these are the negative values. Simply you can add it. 27 into 108, how much will get it, Amma?
27.
135, right? So 99 minus here my 99 and 36, how much will get it? Hello? Vandana?
63, sir.
Yes? 135, right?
135, yeah.
108 plus 27.
Yes, sir. 135.
135. 99 minus here 90 minus values are 99 as well as 36. How much when you add this minus values? 135. You will get 0. Right? Hello?
99 minus
99 value and 36. These are the two minus values are there, na?
okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
So we need to
Plus
add
minus.
this minus values. We need to add one side and plus values. We need to add once. So this is 135
yes.
minus 135. You will get 0. So even if you substitute the x value is 6 here, we got 6 value now. So if you substitute the 6 also, you will get 0. Okay. So just you can do it in the practice. Then y is equal x power 3, 11 x power square plus 36x minus 36. So x is equal to 6. You will get it 0 also. So they can check it once. Then you will come to know that whether your answer is right or wrong. So whatever we got the values, that is the x value 2, 3, 6. These are the right answers. Okay, these are the right answers. So let me know that whether you have understood or not. Yeah, let me clarify. If you don't understand also, I will re-explain. Yeah, please. Yeah, please. We have the only 3 minutes left. Afrin, today we have the only one class. Yeah, Afrin, Anita, Anish,
Yes, sir.
Anusha, Srikant, R. Srikant, Divyasri, Divyasri, Jasmine.
No, sir. I did not understand, sir.
Yeah, let me know the way you didn't understand. Let me know that I will explain again.
Sir, trial and error methods.
Trial and error method, right? Yeah, see here. So this is a trial and error method. So in order to convert the cubic equation to the quadratic equation, we can do the trial and error method. So what is the trial and error method? Simple here. What is the x value? Only 1, right?
1.
So here we have taken 1. So here what is the x value? Minus 11x, right? I have taken minus 11. Here x value is 36, right? So here I have taken 36. So here minus 36. Here we don't know the values now. So simple I have taken minus 36, right? So therefore, so I should multiply with 1. So this is a trial and error 1. So I can put 0 first time. Okay. 1 minus 0, how much will get it, Amma?
1.
1. Then I can multiply with 1 with 1. How much will get it?
1, sir.
1. That is I put it here 1. Okay. Jasmine.
Minus 7.
Yeah. So minus 11 plus 1. How much? When you subtract?
Minus 10.
Minus 10. Right? So
Minus 10.
minus 10 into 1 again. How much?
10. Minus
minus
10.
10. So 36 minus 10 plus 26, right?
Is it
So again, 26 into
Plus
1.
26.
26 into 1. So I put here 26. 36 minus 26 minus 10. So here the value will not be cancelled. That's why x is not equal to 1. Okay, I will written. So therefore I can try with 2. I will try with 2. So 2. So 1 0. First time you need to put 0 here. 1 1 0. 1 minus 0 1. 1 into 2 2. So 11 minus 2. Sorry, minus 11 2 minus 9. 9 into 2 minus 18. 36 minus 18 plus 18. 18 into 2 36. That minus 36 plus 36. You will get 0. Therefore, I have written x is equal to 2. For example, here if you're not able to get 0, then what should you do? You will go with the 3 plus 3 also. Later, if you not able to get 0, then you will get x minus minus 1 also. X is equal minus 2 also, minus 2. Then if you are not able to get 0 here also, therefore you will get minus 3 also. Here also, if you are not able to get 0, therefore you will go to minus 4 also or plus 4 also. Okay, so there is no guarantee get a value is 2. At 2 only you will not get 0. Sometimes you will get minus 1, sometimes you will get minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 or plus 4 or plus 3 also. Jasmine?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Yeah. So therefore, whatever when you get the 0, so these are the three values. So therefore, we can convert into the cubic, nothing but we can formulate on the base of these values the quadratic equation. So that is the one is nothing but x square minus 9x plus 18. Why did I put here x? Why didn't I put x here? So here means this is a constant value. This is a constant value. That's why I didn't put x. Here only I put x. Okay. So that after that x square minus 9x plus 18. So this is the quadratic equation, whatever we got earlier. So after getting this kind of results, so simple you can go use this formula. That is a minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So then we will get the values. That is x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 6. So these are the three answers are the right. So when you get the answers are right or wrong, then you will substitute the values. Then if you get y is equal to 0 only, so that is called, that answer is right. If you are not able to get not equal to 0, so that answer is wrong. So whatever you have got in earlier, the quadratic equation. Okay. Yeah. Anybody along with that? Divya, Jasmine, Krishna, Mubin, Amala, baby Amala, Pavani.
Yes, sir.
All clear, sir, all clear.
Yeah, Sudhakar, as I recently. Urmila?
Sir.
Vandana?
Yes, sir.
So is
Yes,
it clear? Still anybody have the doubt? Let me know. Just you can send the message in the WhatsApp. Then I will get back you later also.